Save your time choosing a color palette for your brand using this website. This is Coolors.co. You can create color palette for your brand or get inspired by different color schemes na available dito. To generate a color palette, let's start here. Makikita mo na merong 5 default color palettes but you can add more if you have a pro account. For free account, you can have 2 to 5 colors. Now, let's say you already have your main color. Kunin mo lang yung hex code at ilalagay natin dito. Pwede mo rin makita yung different shades neto if you still want to change it. Pero if okay ka na dyan, click lang natin yung lock button, then press the spacebar and the other 4 palettes will generate colors na babagay sa main color mo. Press the spacebar until you're satisfied. Pag may nakita kang match for your brand, you can click the lock button ulit ng color na yon. Gawin mo lang yung mga steps na yon until makuha mo yung colors na gusto mo. Now you have a color palette na magagamit mo para sa brand mo. Try Coolors.co and follow for more.